looky here. There's Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. Wow. And they've got a family, whoops, adopting kids right and left. That's why they're called the Brangelina Bunch.
Bartleby. Bartleby. Maddox, your turn. Hold on a second, sweetie. Dad?
What up, Lil Pax?
Why does a peeper make fun of my wang?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Why does they laugh at my wang?
My man, I think your wang is cool. Everybody wang chung tonight. Don't let anyone ever make fun of your wang again. You hear me, Broseph?
Pax, can I have a minute with your father? So, I need to tell you something.
You want to, bump uglies up on the table? Well, after this bowl of cereal, I could sure use a bearded clam. Okay, I'm all ears.
I'm, late.
Late for what? You need me to drive you somewhere?
My period, Brad.
I thought you already taught the kids today. First period?
No, I haven't menstruated. I haven't had it yet. You know, blood flow, shedding my uterine lining. Brad.
What?
I'm pregnant.
Oh. They told me the pull-out method worked.
Folks, don't go believe everything you read like the Pit here. And remember, strap on a Jimmy hat before you go poking around the carrot patch.